Which corded stick vacuum cleaner is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Amazon Basics 2-in-1 Vacuum. First up, we have the Amazon Basics 2-in-1 Corded Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Honestly, the lightweight design at just 3.9 pounds caught my attention, especially given its price point of $34.52. If you want a budget-friendly vacuum that's easy to handle and versatile, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This vacuum offers a 2-in-1 design that converts from stick to handheld, making it perfect for cleaning hard floors, low-pile carpets, and upholstery. With a 300W motor, it provides steady suction power, which is essential for those quick cleanups without breaking the bank. Plus, the washable filter captures 99.97% of particles, so you're not just cleaning, you're purifying the air in your home. Now, some people complained about the dust cup being a bit small at 0.5 liters. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly using this for quick cleans or small spaces, it's not a deal breaker. It's a lightweight vacuum that's perfect for daily use, and you won't be emptying it after every little cleanup. This is perfect for you if you need a simple, effective vacuum for everyday messes. Skip this one if you're dealing with high-pile carpets or need something heavy-duty. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the small dust cup bothered you, the next one might actually be even better for larger spaces. Product number 2, Shark Rocket Ultralight Vacuum. Next up is the Shark Rocket Ultralight Corded Bagless Vacuum. Priced at $138.64, this one stands out for its lightweight design at under 9 pounds. If you want powerful suction without the bulk, this is definitely worth considering. This vacuum is designed for both carpets and hard floors, providing ultra-powerful corded cleaning. Fingertip controls make it easy to switch between surfaces, which is a game changer when you're going from your living room to the kitchen. The swivel steering allows you to easily maneuver around furniture, and the included crevice tool is great for those tight spots. Plus, the easy empty dust cup means you won't waste time fiddling with bags. Now, some users did mention that it can be a bit noisy, but let's be real, most vacuums are. If you're looking for a powerful cleaner that's also lightweight, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need versatility and strong performance on various surfaces. Skip this if you prefer a quieter model or if you have a larger area to clean, as the dust cup is also on the smaller side. Overall, it offers solid performance for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better if you want something that excels with pet hair. Product number 3, Eureka NES 215A Blaze. Now let's talk about the Eureka NES 215A Blaze 3-in-1 Vacuum. This one's priced at $44.38 and has a cool design that caught my eye. If you want a lightweight vacuum that can handle a variety of surfaces, this is definitely worth your attention. The 3-in-1 feature means you can use it as a stick vacuum, handheld, or with the onboard crevice tool. Weighing in at only 4 pounds, it's super easy to maneuver, making it great for quick cleanups. What's really nice is the capture nozzle that picks up larger debris effectively, unlike many stick vacuums that just push stuff around. It also has a powerful 2-amp motor that captures dust and pollen, improving your air quality. However, some customers noted that it struggles a bit on high-pile carpets. Here's the thing though, if your home primarily features hard floors or low-pile carpets, you'll likely have no issues at all. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable vacuum for everyday use across different surfaces. Skip this if you have heavy carpeting that needs deep cleaning. For the price, it provides great functionality. Now, if you're looking for something specifically designed for pet hair, the next vacuum on our list might catch your interest. Product number 4, Shark HV322 Rocket Pet Plus. Coming in at $190.78, the Shark HV322 Rocket Pet Plus Corded Stick Vacuum is designed specifically with pet owners in mind. I was genuinely surprised at how well it handles pet hair. If you struggle with fur all over your home, this vacuum is worth checking out. The XL Dust Cup allows for extended cleaning without frequent interruptions, which is great for those hairy messes. Plus, it has LED headlights to help you spot hidden debris, making the cleaning experience easier. The included pet multi-tool ensures you can reach those hard-to-access areas where pet hair hides. However, some users mention that it can feel a bit heavy during extended use. But here's the thing, if you have pets, the performance outweighs the extra weight, particularly with its efficiency. This is perfect for you if you have pets and need a vacuum that truly tackles fur. Skip this one if you prefer ultra-lightweight models or have minimal pet mess to deal with. It's a solid investment for pet owners. Alright, if you're after something budget-friendly while still packing a punch, the last vacuum on our list might be just what you need. Product number 5, Vazone R6X Corded Vacuum. Finally, let's look at the Vazone R6X Corded Stick Vacuum priced at $38.15. Honestly, this vacuum offers some impressive suction power at 20 kPa. If you want something that provides serious cleaning without breaking the bank, this is worth a close look. The 16-foot cord gives you plenty of reach without needing to switch outlets constantly, which is a major convenience. The Cyclone HEPA filtration system captures 99.99% of tiny dust particles, improving the air quality in your home. Plus, it's lightweight and can convert to a handheld vacuum, making it versatile for different cleaning tasks. However, some users found the suction power to be too strong for delicate surfaces. But here's the thing, it's adjustable so you can tailor it to your needs. For those who really need deep cleaning, this isn't much of an issue. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile vacuum that delivers strong performance. Skip this if you need something specifically designed for delicate surfaces like curtains. It offers fantastic value for its price. Now that we've gone through these 5 options, let's quickly recap the highlights of each one. To summarize, we have the Amazon Basics for budget-friendly versatility, the Shark Rocket for lightweight power, the Eureka Blaze for a versatile 3-in-1 design, the Shark HV322 for pet hair management, and the Vazone R6X for powerful suction at a great price. Each of these has its strengths and weaknesses, so think about what best fits your needs. Happy cleaning!